10 p.m. on Thursday. Watch more on this story in the video above. Watch the latest news on Channel 7 or stream for free on 7 Plus. Paramedics rushed the 3-year-old to the Queensland Children's Hospital, where she remains in a serious condition. Queensland Ambulance Service Operations Supervisor Adrian Tong said the aftermath of the intense attack was quite a confronting scene for crews on site. "There were a lot of bite marks, it wasn't just one or two," he said. A man in his 60s suffered back pain after falling off a 1.5 meters retaining wall during the attack and was taken to the same hospital in a stable condition. The owner of the property has been left distraught from the incident, telling 7NEWS he was shocked the dogs turned on the toddler and her grandmother. A Brisbane City Council spokesperson confirmed the 2 dogs were seized from an Algester address on Thursday. With 7NEWS.
And finally, thank you all for watching the video. Please like and comment your opinion so we can discuss together. Don't forget to subscribe, press the bell to follow and update many other interesting news. See you in the next videos. Goodbye.